I'm recording now.
Running in the rain.
A day outside. Let's go.
On a summer day.
I'm in my clothes. In July. Hi guys. It's so cold. She's in the house naked.
She looks like she got naked.
Off it.
Why you take the clothes off? We need something here so we can like make sure we film it. But I'll be right back.
Filming though.
Talk to the people.
Hello. It's summer 2013 and it's been raining every day and we're from Florida. So we can never go swimming. So we're taking advantage of it.
Yes, in the rain.
Can they see us swimming on the floor? Off it! You're going to swim on the floor!
Yeah, because it'll
Things to do in the summer. Do you need it that high? Okay, now watch us swim. Bring my goggles!
Hold up.
I need my goggles! The water's too fast!
All they wanna talk about is partying and fashion.
Tanya, I can see myself. I can see myself too. Just right now.
Band the low man. Young Nino, fuck up.
She got her glasses. She got everything. She got her sunglasses. There's no sun outside. My goggles!
Hello.
My nigga, I'm faded, faded, faded. My nigga, I'm faded, 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 faded. My nigga,
I can't even hear me.
faded.
Beta.
My nigga, I'm faded, faded.
She's just on it loud because that's ghetto.
Super McNasty. Why you make love when the bitch
that's my
call me
name.
daddy?
That's my eHarmony name, McNass.
Oh, it's twerk, bro.
Twerk?
Yeah, twerk in the rain.
Oh, twerking in
Man, bitches not my fucking problem. Yeah.
Red cousins, funny bodies everywhere. Hands in the air like we don't care. If you're not ready to go home,
This is for
can I get down now? We like to party,
dancing with Miley.
doing whatever we want. This is our rules, and we can't slow it down. They can see it's free on the night. They can see it's free on the It's our body, we can do what we want to. It's our house, we can love what we want to. It's our song, we can sing if we want to. It's my mouth, I can say what I want to.
These are really dark. I cannot see anything. Oh, that's my jam. But that's not fun. Is that fun? That's not fun.
Thank you.